Hey everyone, in this video, I will talk about Culture AMP software tutorial, manage feedback service and employee development. So first on getting started, log into your account and on the dashboard, once you log in, you'll see your dashboard with access to surveys, feedback, development tools, and reports and insights. Now on managing feedback, Culture AMP provides two-way feedback between employees, managers, and peers. First, giving feedback. Go to feedback, then go to give feedback. Select the person you want to give feedback to. Now use the prompts provided or write your own feedback. Keep it constructive and actionable. Click submit. Feedback will be shared directly. Now on requesting feedback, go to feedback, then click on request feedback. Select individuals or teams, then choose the focus area. Customize your request message and then send the request. On using feedback, view all feedback in My Feedback. Use it during performance review or one-on-one meetings. Reflect and plan personal development goals based on feedback teams. Now, on running and managing surveys. Culture AMP allows you to run engagement surveys, onboarding, exit, and custom surveys. Creating a survey, first go to Surveys, then Create Survey. Choose from Template or create custom questions. Now customize questions as needed. And then add demographics for better segmentation. And then set launch and close dates. Now on launching a survey, preview your survey, send test emails, and launch to your selected audience. On monitoring survey progress, track response rate in real time and send reminders if participation is low. Now on analyzing results, first, you need to go to results after survey closes. Then, view overall scores and heat maps and comments. Filter by demographics or teams. And now identify trends and focus areas. Now on employee development tools. Culture AMP offers development plans and growth frameworks. First, on creating development goals. First, go to development and then go to goals. Add personal or role-based development goals. Define actions, target dates, and progress markers. And then regularly update progress. Now on growth framework. Use the skills and competency framework to understand role expectations. Managers and employees can collaborate on growth paths. Now, use templates or customize competencies to align with company values. Now on check-ins and one-on-ones, first go to development. Then go to one-on-ones. Schedule regular check-ins and use guided conversation starters. And lastly, document action, items, and follow-up. Lastly, on reporting and insights. Access detailed reports under insights and then track engagement trends over time. Then compare team benchmarks and lastly, export reports to share with leadership. And that's basically it.